Habit number 3, the rich live below their means. This one surprises people. Because the image of wealth in popular culture is extravagance. Mansions. Private jets. Limitless spending. But study the actual behavior of most self-made wealthy people, and you find something very different. Modest homes in ordinary neighborhoods. Used cars. Careful spending. A deep resistance to lifestyle inflation. The reason is simple. Every dollar spent on appearance is a dollar not working in an investment, and wealth is not built by looking rich, it is built by consistently deploying money into things that grow. Lifestyle inflation is the silent killer of financial progress. Every raise that immediately becomes a bigger apartment, a newer car, more dining out, leaves you earning more and building nothing. Habit number 4, the rich invest in financial education continuously. Wealthy people are obsessed with learning. Not just formally, but constantly. Books. Podcasts. Mentors. Seminars. Conversations with people who know more than they do. They understand that the financial world changes. Tax laws shift. New investment vehicles emerge. Markets evolve. The person who stops learning stops growing, and in finance, standing still means falling behind. The average CEO reads over 50 books a year. Not novels. Books on business, finance, leadership, and self-improvement. Compare that to the average person who reads fewer than one book a year after leaving school. Knowledge compounds just like money does. The more you understand about how wealth is built, the better your decisions become. And better decisions, made consistently over years, produce extraordinary results. Here is the truth that ties all 5 habits together. None of these habits require a high income to begin. None of them require perfect timing. None of them need a lucky break or the right connections or a wealthy family behind you. They require a decision. A consistent, daily, unglamorous decision to do things differently than the majority of people around you. And build multiple income streams, so no single point of failure can take everything from you. And here is the most important thing of all, so can you. The gap between where you are and where you want to be is not filled with luck, it is filled with habits. Start with one. Build the next. Then the next. Wealth is not an event. It is a practice.